Hello guys, my name is Lynn Safania. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said in last video that I'm going to take you through process of how to make the kitchen garden, and today is the day I want to take you through the process. The process is very long. It needs a lot of patience and determination. Now I start with preparing the soil. The soil is in three groups. We have loam soil, we have clay soil and sand soil. So the loam soil is the best for making the kitchen garden. Now I chose the loam soil to prepare the kitchen garden because the loam soil is the best for the kitchen garden. Preparing the manure, I want to use the organic manure, pure organic manure. So I went and looked for loam soil. I brought it to where I stay. Then I went to look for the grass. I brought to where I stay and got manure.
This is the grass that I was talking about that I was to add as part of the manure, and it's very essential also when it comes to kitchen gardening.
So I prepared it. Preparing the manure, it took me 3 weeks for it to get ready to start planting my kitchen garden. Now, preparing the manure, I took the grass. The first layer was the grass. The second layer, I put soil. Third layer was goat manure. After that, I put the grass and then soil, then goat manure. It was 2 layers. Now, after putting the grass, I put the soil on top of it. It was now ready for 21 days. For those 21 days, I was pouring water every day, morning and evening, on top of manure. So I did that for 21 days. After 21 days, the manure was ready. Then what I did after that, I started mixing goat manure the way I prepared it. I mixed it for 1 day, and then I waited for another 3 days. I mixed it again. Then another day, for 3 days, I mixed it again.
This is me mixing up the manure as I had told you earlier. This was after 21 days, and it is a very tedious process. As you can see, I have to mix up everything and make sure the goat manure, the grass and the soil is well mixed up. And after this, I will cover it up and leave it for maybe 1 day. Sometimes I would leave it for 3 days and again mix it up until it is ready to be used. So you can watch and see how I was doing it. So this is how much I had mixed until this point. As you can see, it's a lot of manure, which will really come in handy when it comes to planting in the later videos. Here I'm covering up the manure after finishing mixing it, and you have to make sure you cover it very well so that in case it rains, the water won't flood there and carry the soil away. So you have to cover it very well with very good material. As you can see, for me, I used the tent material to cover it, and also I added some wood so that it won't be carried away.
Now I waited for it to dry up for 1 week. After 1 week, that is when I went to look for another soil and then mix it. It's a must you balance them. If it is one wheelbarrow for manure and 1 wheelbarrow for the soil. So that is how you can now mix it and start planting your kitchen garden. And this is now the kitchen garden. I did it. Now here it is. I planted it. It has now grown. It is coming up very nicely. You can see it. It is growing up very well. That is it for now. My people, thank you for watching. I appreciate the way you are following me. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to bring the stands, and also in my future videos, I'll be showing you how to prepare these plastic jerry cans, and also how to prepare the sacks, and also how to prepare these other things, how to mix the soil and the manure in details. So stay tuned, continue following me. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. That's it for now. Thank you guys. Bye.